Hi, I'm Trina. I head up the marketing team at Harbinson Mulholland. A few months ago, I was asked to give a presentation at a seminar to introduce the firm in just 2 minutes. Given all that we have to offer to local businesses, 2 minutes was always going to be a challenge, so I'd like to share my ideas with you for how I did this. Around the same time as the seminar, I watched a series on BBC Three called Secrets of the Super Brands. This explored the world of global brands and how they get us to buy their stuff, even going so far as to idolise them. One particular programme focused on technology, and no prizes for guessing, Apple took up about 30 minutes of a 60-minute programme, closely followed by Google and Facebook. Part of the programme involved asking, if Apple was a person, what sort of person would it be? I thought this was a really interesting concept, so I thought I would adapt it for my Harbinson Mulholland presentation. As chartered accountants and business advisors, our main focus is working with local businesses and the people who run them, offering professional services and practical solutions. So if I had to describe Harbinson Mulholland as a person, I would say we were like your most true friend. Highly trusted advisors, insightful, strong, supportive and familiar, someone who has your best interests at heart, so when you share your aspirations for the future, we say, how can I help? In short, we like to think of ourselves as not your usual bean counters, but a group of future-thinking experts who come together as a team to find the best possible solutions for our clients. So please do have a look through our website for more information on the services we offer, and of course give us a call if there is anything we can do for you or your business. And you never know, you could be the lucky recipient of your very own, not your usual bean counter jelly bean bag. Bye for now.